Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I created this super cute summer hairstyle. If you'd like to see how I created this hairstyle, just keep watching. So I'm starting with my hair freshly washed, and I'm gonna take my comb and create a middle part. Then I'm bringing the comb to each ear and clipping the hair away so I can start on the back of my hair. With the back of my hair, I am sectioning it into 3 parts to make the hair easier to work with. Each section will be broken into 3 to 4 twists, and I am going to be using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura oil line to style my hair. Word to the wise, if you use these products, don't use a lot because they don't really work that well together. Like, I guess I'm just product heavy, so I ended up with a lot of flakes once it dried. So if you do use these products, just use a little bit. A little goes a long way.
Damn. 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 Shout it.
For the top half of my hair, I will be creating 3 flat twists on each side. You see they're kind of going diagonally. You can part them however you'd like, but I thought this would be very cute, so that's how I did it. And my twists are not the best. I am not that good at flat twisting. I'm not that good at braiding, so do not come for me. If you're better at it, then it'll look cuter on you, but this is how I made it work. Now, before I separate my twists, I just made sure that my hands were oiled just so I can keep that moisture in and try to prevent frizz a little bit. As you can see, that those products actually gave me really good definition, even though I had a lot of flakes. That was my fault. That was on me. So when separating these twists, always make sure your hands are oiled, and do not separate them all the way down on the second part of separation, because it just helps your twists last longer. And this part is just accessorizing them. You can accessorize them with whatever you want. I like these clips because they're cheap and they cute, and that is good enough for me. And you can take them out and put them somewhere else. Just keep working with them until you figure out how you like them. And to make my hair bigger, I just use my hands and I finger comb them that way. You can use a pick if you'd like, but my hands are just easier. Here are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.